people. So I never thought this day would come, but as of yesterday, we touched 1,000 subscribers, and it is such a special feeling. I mean, the thing is, I'm never really sure, like 1,000, then suddenly few might drop and things like that. But I realized with regard to feedback, there are certain things I have to take seriously, like probably get a mic so that it is clearly heard. And there is this one person, his name is Dixit Kandare, and his videos are like wow. Like, I mean, he makes these travel videos, and he was telling me about the fact that one should spend a lot of time in editing. So yeah, so I think I'll connect with him, and because I want to polish my videos, this has been like a learning process, it's a journey for me really, but I want to learn that. So people, we touched 1,000 subscribers now. I mean, why not aim for bigger things? And absolutely, so really, we got back just yesterday late in the night, and I'm looking forward to, I don't know, so many things probably. So yeah, so today is March 29th, 2022, and yeah, and yeah, we touched 1,000 subscribers yesterday, March 28th. So it's a special feeling. So really, people, on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.